Tuesday morning, January 27th. Bitterly cold here. So let's warm up. Our voices, that is. Join me, won't you? Take a breath. If you can keep going, go. Yeah, hold that last pitch as long as you can. Now we go faster. Yes, try to hold that last pitch as long as you possibly can. Next. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Feel like it's releasing and landing right here each time. La, 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 la. Only it's ya. Ya, 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 ya. Coming down now on yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's easy to kind of like forget what you're doing. Stay focused on the technique. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 There you go. Good and warmed up. Let's go on with the day.